Were you really excited, Teddy? I just got cleaned out and I just put in like brand new types of beds for them. So this is the first time they've got some cubes and different tunnels and stuff like that. Teddy's having a hoot. Uh-oh, he's getting riled up. You're gonna knock the little cube's gonna go falling right over, Teddy. What a cutie. Are you all excited, buddy? Peeing right on the hay, thanks. Hi, little Addie. Oh, funny. I can't really see Marzi, but she's in that log there. And Clemmy's in the tilting cube. There we go. Careful, Clemmy. That's not very stable. It's gonna fall over. What a cute boy. How's little Miss Addie? Is her face not one of the cutest little faces you ever did see? She makes me think of Butter Pecan's face. Hi, Miss Clem. Hi, sweetie. You just talking away? Yeah, you didn't check the beds on that other side. Why are you creeping along like that's scary? Yeah, Teddy will show you how they're used. Yeah, you'll probably like that bed, Clemmy. You little sweetie? You guys are funny. What cute little babies. What do you think, Clementine? Pretty good? Some different types of beds to explore?